SOLIDWORKS Inspection is a software that streamlines and automates the creation of inspection documents. This includes everything from adding balloons all the way to spitting out a first article inspection with some dimensions on there to help us keep tabs of what has passed and what has failed. One of the benefits of inspection is the ability to have custom properties that can be exported to an Excel document. There are a number of custom properties already within the tool for us. However, we can add things in here manually if we need to. So I can come in here and type in custom manual and enter in whatever information I want for this project level custom property. Now we could also add things not at a project level, we can add them at a characteristic level. So if I were to add a balloon here, we have other fields here such as this custom field where I can come in and put in whatever I want here. So I'll put in dimension value. And so there's just a couple places where we have some custom fields that we can create or throw in. And what we'll need to do is add these custom fields to our Excel document using the templates editor. So we open the templates editor, and this will allow us to select a template that we want to modify. In this case, I'm going to select Edit Template. We'll bring this over to the window here, as well as the template editor card. So up here, I'll go ahead and add our project property, which was that custom manual that I had created a moment ago. So I'll just go ahead and insert that. And then if I had something that was more characteristic related, maybe I have a field for that somewhere in there, but we do have our characteristics column that has our properties that we can select from. In this case, I entered this value into custom field 1. So I'll insert this and select finish. But we do have a lot of other characteristics that we can also choose to include in our Excel document should we want. I'm going to go ahead and just replace this document and push this out using a template that we just modified. And once I do that, I'll overwrite this existing file. We will see that the characteristics or the custom properties that I have just added are in here for me to see as needed. So go ahead and open up Inspection today and see how you can add custom properties that get pushed over into Excel.